Coba ulangi lagi sesudah Helen.
Iwan was crossing the street while Chris was standing at the bus stop.
Dan tentu saja, kedua bagian kalimat tadi dapat dibalikkan sebagai berikut.
While Chris was standing at the bus stop, Iwan was crossing the road. While Chris was standing at the bus stop, Iwan was crossing the road.
Saudara pendengar, mari kita berbicara tentang Helen. Sekarang, dia sudah mempunyai rebewes, dan pada hari Sabtu kemarin, dia mengendarai mobil ayahnya. Jadi, pada jam 10.30 kemarin, hal-hal berikut ini sedang berlangsung.
I was driving. The sun was shining. I was watching the traffic.
Dan karena mobilnya mempunyai radio,
I was listening to the radio.
Sekarang, mari kita pakai hal-hal tadi sebagai contoh. Dengarkan apa yang dikatakan Chris.
While Helen was driving, the sun was shining. While Helen was driving, she was watching the traffic. While she was driving, she was listening to the radio.
Hal-hal tadi berlangsung selama beberapa waktu, dan semuanya terjadi secara bersamaan, yaitu pada jam 10.30 pagi kemarin. Coba ucapkan kalimat berikut sesudah Chris, bagian demi bagian.
While Helen was driving, the sun was shining.
Sekarang, coba ulangi kalimat selengkapnya sesudah Chris.
While Helen was driving, the sun was shining.
Bagus. Berikut ini beberapa contoh lain. Dengarkan dan ulangilah.
While Helen was driving, she was listening to the radio. While Helen was driving, she was watching the traffic.
Saudara pendengar, kali ini coba saudara buat sendiri kalimat tentang Helen, yaitu tentang hal-hal yang berlangsung sementara dia mengendarai mobil. Misalnya, saudara akan mendengar ungkapan
The sun was shining.
Dan saudara hendaknya mengatakan
While Helen was driving, the sun was shining.
Dan ulangilah kalimat yang betul sesudah saudara mendengarnya. Siap, saudara-saudara?
She was singing. While Helen was driving, she was singing. She was listening to the radio. While Helen was driving, she was listening to the radio. She was thinking about Iwan. While Helen was driving, she was thinking about Iwan.
Nah, berikut ini suatu kejadian singkat yang terjadi sementara Helen mengendarai mobil, yaitu dia melihat Don sedang bekerja di halaman rumahnya.
I saw Don.
Tetapi kata while masih dipakai dengan driving, karena kata ini menggambarkan sesuatu yang berlangsung lama.
I saw Don while I was driving. I saw Don while I was driving.
What was he doing?
He was working in the garden, as usual.
While you were driving, Don was working in the garden.
Yes. While I was driving, Don was working in the garden. Anyway, I stopped and talked to Don for a few minutes. And while I was talking, Jane came into the garden. We chatted, and she went inside because she was preparing lunch. She invited me to have some lunch.
Coba dengarkan beberapa contoh lagi. Kali ini dari Chris.
While Don was working in the garden, Jane was preparing lunch. While Helen was driving, she saw Don. While Helen and Don were talking, Jane came out. While they were talking, Jane invited Helen to have lunch.
Oh ya, dalam contoh-contoh tadi, kata while dipakai dalam bagian kalimat yang mengandung kata kerja dengan akhiran ing, yaitu bentuk yang menunjukkan sesuatu yang sedang berlangsung.
While she was driving, she saw Don.
Kalau kedua bentuk kata kerja dalam kalimat menunjukkan sesuatu yang sedang berlangsung, maka kata while dapat dipakai dalam bagian pertama atau bagian kedua dari kalimat itu. Misalnya,
while she was driving, she was listening to the radio. She was driving while she was listening to the radio.
Rupanya ada acara musik di radio mobil Helen. Baiklah, saudara pendengar. Sekarang mari kita lihat dengan lebih teliti apa yang sedang dilakukan Jane sementara Don bekerja di halaman. Kita tahu dia sedang menyiapkan makan siang.
She was preparing lunch.
Nah, berikut ini beberapa hal yang dilakukan Jane, dan semuanya berlangsung secara singkat dan merupakan sebagian dari kejadian menyeluruh, yakni dia sedang menyiapkan makan siang.
She cut some bread.